Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on the application of Stumble Guys. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list we will search about the application of Stumble Guys and you will click here. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Stumble Guys. If you find update in this blue sign, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.